The area of this door in square centimeters is about. This question is asking us to make a guess about the area of the door. Now, while we could calculate the exact number, 198 times 81, it's also good enough to make an approximation. So let's approximate this. We'll round up from 198, we'll round upwards to 200. Whereas for 81, we'll round down by 1, down to 80. And instead of doing 198 times 81, which is difficult to do, we'll just do 200 times 80. And let's do that on the side here. So what did you get? 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is again 0. 0 times 2, 0. Put a 0 down here for the tens digit. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0, 0. And 8 times 2, 16. What do we get? The answer we get is 16,000. Now, that's a very close approximation, and is indeed our answer D. Just for your own interest, if you wanted to know what the real answer was, 198 times 81 is actually equal to 16,038. So, we actually got quite close. The answer here should be D.